Hello, I'm Ed. Today we're going to saw a hole in a piece of steel. For a bit I'm using a 1 5/8 inch cheap bimetal Ace Hardware hole saw. I've got my mill here set as low as it'll go, which is about 70 RPM. And this is our stock. It's 1/2 inch thick. It's a piece of steel off an old International Harvester cultivator, and we're going to sacrifice it today to make a hole in it. The secret to drilling a hole or sawing a hole in metal is slow speed, steady pressure, and we have to have some way to get rid of the chips that the hole saw cuts, and at the same time cool it. What I use for that is just a plain shop vac, and I put it right at the intersection of the saw and the workpiece. That does two things. The airflow cools the saw, and it also removes the chips. Okay, we'll get going here. The bit is still cool enough to keep my hand on it. The workpiece is slightly warmer because it didn't get quite as much air. And here's the slug we cut up. That's a little warm. Notice I didn't even use a pilot bit in the hole saw. This mill is rigid enough that you just chuck it in and it holds the hole saw true to drill. Thanks for watching.